Trae AI is the latest all-in-one creative assistant making waves in the tech world. It's designed to help with everything from writing text and generating images to structuring creative projects. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for digital content, aimed at students, marketers, small business owners, and creators. The main promise? Efficiency. It's supposed to handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on the big picture. At its core is a powerful language model for generating blog posts, captions, technical docs, and more. There's also an image generator and tools for brainstorming, outlining, and translating. The big selling point is integration. Trae AI wants to be your one-stop shop for content creation. But does it live up to the hype? The AI space is crowded and every tool claims to be the next big thing. I've put Trae AI through its paces, testing writing, image generation, and the user interface. My goal, give you a clear, honest look at what works and what doesn't. We'll cut through the marketing and see if it's worth your time. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Logging into Trae AI, you're greeted by a clean, minimal dashboard, no clutter, just quick access to text, images, and projects. The color scheme is easy on the eyes and navigation is intuitive. Starting a new project is simple. Pick your content type, and you're set up in seconds. The onboarding is seamless, making it accessible even for non-techies. Text generation is impressive, coherent, relevant, and grammatically solid. You can tweak the tone with specific instructions, and it's great for getting past writer's block. The output is a strong starting point, though you'll want to add your own voice. Sometimes the results feel a bit generic, especially with creative tasks. Still, for most users, it's a huge time saver. You'll need to polish the text, but that's standard for AI writers. Overall, the user experience is smooth and efficient. Trae AI stands out for its customization. You can set the audience, tone, and keywords for each project, guiding the AI to fit your needs. Custom templates let you save structures for recurring content, like newsletters or reports, so you don't start from scratch every time. The platform adapts to your workflow, not the other way around. For long-form writing, it helps with outlines and keeps context across sections, making big projects manageable. This flexibility is a major advantage over basic tools. The more you use it, the more it learns your style and preferences. It's like having a co-writer that gets smarter with every project. Personalization is at the heart of Trae AI's value. It's efficient, adaptable, and genuinely useful for anyone with regular content needs. That level of control is rare, and it's what makes Trae AI shine. No tool is perfect, and Trae AI has its flaws. The text can feel generic, lacking a unique voice, so don't expect it to replace your creativity. Image generation is hit or miss, fine for simple visuals, but struggles with complex prompts or photorealism. Fact-checking is a must. Like all AI, it can confidently get things wrong. Don't rely on it as your only source for accurate information. The interface, while clean, may be too basic for power users. Collaboration features are limited. Real-time co-editing and project management tools are pretty bare bones. It's best suited for individuals or small teams, not large organizations. If you need deep collaboration, you might find it lacking. But for most solo creators, these are minor trade-offs. Trae AI uses a subscription model with several tiers. The free tier lets you try the basics, but it's limited in credits and features. The creator tier is the sweet spot for individuals. More credits, full features, and custom templates at a competitive price. For teams, the pro or business tier adds more credits, priority support, and basic team management. Pricing is per user, which is standard for business tools. Large organizations can get custom enterprise plans with unlimited usage and advanced support. The structure is logical. There's an option for everyone, from casual users to big teams. You can start free, then upgrade as your needs grow. It's flexible and transparent, so you know what you're paying for. Overall, the pricing matches the value offered. So, is Trae AI worth it? For most content creators, the answer is yes, with realistic expectations. It's a powerful productivity booster for students, marketers, and writers. Use it as a co-pilot, brainstorm, draft, and refine with its help. But add your own polish. Don't expect perfection or total originality from the AI alone. Start with the free tier to see if it fits your workflow. If it saves you time and helps you get started, it's worth considering. The user experience and customization set it apart from the crowded AI field. Image generation and creative flair could be better, but as a writing assistant, it excels. Trae AI is accessible, flexible, and practical for everyday use. Give it a try and see if it clicks for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.